Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be sorting out this trolley. Somebody commented on my video giving me the most amazing idea of what to do with my trolley, because as you can see at the moment, it's gorgeous, it's pink. I got this from Hobbycraft in case anyone wants to pick one up. They have it in like so many different colours, and I also got the little buckets that hook on the side from Hobbycraft as well. And then I also paid to get the little tray that goes on the top. Well, it can go on any of them, but I'll put it on the top to make it into like a little table kind of thing. So at the moment, it's literally just full of random stuff. Like we have like cleaning stuff, body scrubs, medicine, they're my micellar waters, brush cleaning stuff. These little buckets are just full of the most random thing ever. Like I've just started dumping things. You can't even see in this top bit. Here is just full of like stuff that has been just dumped in there. Somebody had this really cool idea of changing this little trolley into a trolley for me to put all the stuff that I want to try one more time, so we can work our way from the trolley, see whether it makes it back into my makeup collection or whether it goes to a new home. So I thought, that's such a cool idea, why not actually do it on video for you and show me actually transforming this? Because I thought we've got so many like different cool storage tubs that I have spare. I've got loads of these, so why not use them, and then we can start getting through these products, start testing them out. I've got like 4 penciled in for testing videos, so let's see how much we can get through and let's just get straight into it. As you can see on this drawer, it's a lot of my micellar waters, like ISO clean, baby shampoo, and basically like the little stuff here as well that I was just kind of shoved to one side. It's all of my stuff when I do like my cleaning and my makeup brushes, which is so overdue. Like I definitely need to catch up and clean loads of makeup brushes. But I recently was organising, I'll just take it over here, this little section of my makeup room, and I actually have a full empty tub now because it was just full of like empty packaging, peanuts and stuff. And Blake's used them up today, thankfully, so it's emptied up a full box for me. So I think I'm going to put in here like my backup, micellar waters, cleaning products and stuff, because obviously they don't need to be where I can grab them every single day. This is like a little sneaky preview, to be fair, of what's coming up. So I have this full white tub is full of empties. So I'm just going to, oh my god, I'm doing that one-handed so I can film it. I'm just going to put that on my little chair for now. This is my little vanity. I don't know if I've ever showed you this or not, but this is my little vanity, and this is my new setup that I've managed to do with my lighting, which gets my camera looking so much better. And obviously I've played around with the camera settings as well. And then this is a box full of stuff for me to do a makeup haul. And then this tub now is completely free. Completely empty. Oh, why is the lid stuck? I can pop all of these and a lot of them will be able to stand up straight, which is amazing. And I think that's everything like cleaning wise. So then this is what we are left with. And then we have like these little buckets that are filled with different things. So this one here, I'll just move the trolley back. But this one here has a lot of like used eyeshadow brushes that just need washing. And then these need to be where my little perfume collection is. Please let me know, by the way, if you want me to do a perfume collection, because I've got like quite a good collection, to be fair. It's not huge, but it's not tiny. Like it's such a nice size. But yeah, I'm going to put these little perfume atomizers over there, and then I've got like a little lip liner that I'm going to put away. So I'll just put all of these away. Like these are like just random stuff that have been dumped in here. This one's so dusty and it has the most random. So I think I feel like I need to get a new tripod because this one is proper sweating. But this one's got such random stuff in it. Like this needs bin. This is like so minging. It's been open for so long as well. It's like a little SPF from Revolution. So I'll pop that in my bin. An old lip liner can go in the bin. This can stay. A little tape measure. It's my little card from when I used to go to an old gym. So that one can go in the bin. These lip drips can go in the bin as well, because God knows how long they've been open for. And I've got like a little Lindor thing. This can go somewhere safe. I've got another one of them Superfix setting spray, so I'm going to put that away with all of my backup overflow setting sprays. This is literally, apart from like the couple of reusable ice cube things, is just a full tub of little clips. And then I've got a little Fenty moisturiser, so I'm going to put that in my everyday drawer, try and get that used up. And that is another one empty. I'm actually keeping that one that has all of the little creaseless clips in. I can go over there. I have loads of these Mitchum ones because when you use up the end of, when you get to the end of Mitchum, there's still like absolutely loads of product in there. So I want to depot it all and make my own little mini Jordan of them, but obviously I just haven't got around to doing that. But I will keep those ready to do that. I think there's another one on the floor down here. This is something that I had on here, and then I had the little tray lid on top of it and like kind of kept it in place. But I think I'm going to put this somewhere else now. I've actually managed to squish it between these boxes. Let's see how long that lasts for. But on here I have like my little light to put on my little fairy lights behind me. I'm also going to put in my little remote for my normal, like for these lights here. And then I also have my little Stanley knife that was my nana's. And then I normally put in my scissors, but I don't actually know where they've gone. So my scissors normally go in there as well, but that'd be really handy for when I'm like literally getting ready. And this is my little bins. Honestly, I'm absolutely buzzing with my setup. Like I'm just so happy with my room at the moment. It's like getting to a place where I'm going to be like so happy with it. Okay, so now that we're working with a blank canvas, all of the drawers are now empty. I have like this big bag of stuff for us to test one more time. But I don't really know how to, what order to do it in. So on this second drawer, I've put like these little boxes. I think I'm going to start by, I don't know which one's best. That's not wide enough, is it? That's a bit too wide. So I'm going to put the bronzes in this far one so far. Sorry, I know the lighting probably isn't the best, but it's just because of the angle of the drawer things. But I feel like I've got quite a few bronzes to get through. Or maybe I can put the bronzes in here. That bronzer back there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I might put primers in here. And I've got like this Mitchell curve case. I might put him in that far corner. And I can put liquid blushes. I have this one, but I actually don't even think I'm going to like that. Like I know I'm not going to like that, so I'm just going to bin it. And it's been open for way too long. And I've got like a cream bronzer, so I'm going to put cream bronzer back there. I've got some like little fiddly ones, which I think I'm going to put on this drop here. I'm going to put it in this little clear one for now. Got another cream bronzer. Put the powder bronzers that way, and then I can put the cream bronzers towards the back because we've got like the, God, this lighting's really bad, isn't it? I'm trying to show you what I'm doing and I don't even know if you can see. There's actually quite a few of them, so I'm going to put them ones to the side. Got like a bronzer stick. Blusher, I've got like a foundation. I can't remember if I had many of these or not. Cream blusher, another cream blusher. That's like a powder. Put powder at the top. I've got another powder, so that can go on the top as well. Another hourglass, well not another hourglass, another powder. Don't know where I got hourglass from. I've got a concealer I'm going to put on the top. Got another foundation, another concealer and another foundation, which is basically the same as that one. I think I've got quite a few of them in different shades. Cream blush. This is like a glowy bronzery thing, so that can go on the bronzer bit. I've got another blush, another foundation, a little NARS one. Got a powder from Fenty, a brow gel from Icor. Honestly, I'm so excited. I didn't realise how much stuff I actually stashed to one side though. I've got a little NYX primer. This is kind of like a little foundation-y, skin creamy thing. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I've got this one. Why was I keeping this? That can go in the bin. I'm so silly. This is so old as well, so I'm going to get rid of that. This one, why was I keeping this as well? Like that can go in the bin. That's been open for ages. Got like a little rare beauty little sachet thing. So that can go back there with the foundations. Again, why was I keeping this? Oh, actually, Rachel from work loves that, so I'm going to take that in for Rachel for work. Got a highlighter. We've not had a highlighter yet. I'll put the highlighter powder back there for now. Got another cream bronzer, which will definitely make it back into my collection, but I just can't remember what I thought of it, so I wanted to try it again. Got this little Jaclyn Blurring Skin Tint. Got quite a lot of foundations, haven't I? Got another like little cream bronzery shape stick thing. Got another MAC one that should all fit in nicely in there. Got another little primer. I'm just gonna put all the blusher in together. Another blusher. This is another one of the MAC ones, but this is the Radiance one instead. I think this is the blusher. Yeah. I'm gonna put the powder blushes over here. Got a little fine skin tint, a little mineralized skin finish. I'm gonna put you there because you're technically like a blusher. Got a NARS little powder, little cream blush from Dot Beauty. Another one, W7 Tinted Moisturiser. I'm going to put her there. God, I've got a lot of base stuff, haven't I? little powder, glowish blush, and then also Charlotte Tilbury highlight. So I'm going to put the blush over here, and then that highlight, I'm going to put her, technically needs to be back here, doesn't she, with the other one there. That'll do. Another little glowish blush to try. Got Dallas, which I might actually just message my mum and see if my mum wants that, because she loves Dallas and she'd actually use the full thing up. Got a little mini powder. I'll show you the powder thing in a second. Got another little bronzer. Again, I don't even know why I've tried to keep this elf on. I'm just going to bin that. Got it. Oh, lipstick. First time I've seen a lipstick in this mix. Got a little Refi brow pencil, so I'm going to put that up here. Got another lipstick. Another P. Louise blush. Powder blush from MAC. A little Jordana Tisha powder. Got another like little liquid highlighter, a little Rare Beauty one. We've got an e.l.f. primer, Revolution. We've got a lot of cream blushes, haven't we, to go through. Oh my god, we're actually near at the end now. We have another MAC powder blush. Got again quite a lot of powder blushes to get through. And a lot of cream bronzers. What was my obsession about? Little under eye brightener from Pixie. Might put that in my primer section for now. And then the little Iconic London drops. Wow. That is everything from my test and stuff. Let me try and give you a bit of a tour, see whether the lighting's any better with me picking the camera up. So this is the top drawer, so obviously the lighting's a lot better up here because you can see everything fully. So we have that little Be Perfect palette. We've got like brow stuff all here, a couple of concealers, and then we have a lot of powders to get through. We only have 2 lipsticks to try. And then when we go down to the next drawer, which is a lot more packed, as you can see, we have down here, we have primers and a little under eye primer. At the back, these are little black heads, all MAC foundations. We've got like NARS, Lancome, Jaclyn Hill and stuff like that. And then in here is all cream or liquid blushes. Then we have powder bronzers, and then anything liquidy, creamy powders back here. We've got like a little fine skin tint, and then another little powder bronzer back here. And then here we have all of my powder blushes that we need to try, the Made by Mitchell case. And then back here we have my highlighters to basically try. So we have like a powder one, and then the rest are all liquids because, yeah, liquid highlight is just, I don't know if that's my thing or not. But that is everything that is in my little test one more time trolley, which is just such a cute little way of using this trolley. And hopefully over time we will either donate to a new home, or we will put it back into my makeup collection because I love it that much. That's so exciting. So that is my trolley complete, ready to start my next series, which we're going to be calling it Stash or Trash. And we're going to maybe be doing about 4 episodes, depending on how long it takes to get through the majority of this. I'll also try some stuff probably when I do like work get ready with me's and stuff like that, but we shall see how we get on. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in my next video, which will be on Sunday. Love you so much. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on Sunday for a brand new video. Bye.